Okay, good morning, guys. It is voting day, November 6th, and Tuesday. And I took the euro up earlier and called out the pound earlier down, but with that said, I didn't take the pound down. I took the euro up because I felt everything wasn't lining up real well. We are lined up at the top. I'm waiting to see, oh darn it, I was hoping this guppy would close up above telling me that it's going up. There's nothing telling me it's going up. Right now we have an orange announcement. We are lining up at the bottom, but there's nothing there telling me it's going up enough. I was hoping I was going to get a confirmation here that this was going up, although I do think we're going up. Obviously, if you're going to take a trade up, you have to wait for the pound to come down a little bit. But it's a very risky trade. I want to wait till I see some blue candles on the euro yen and the Swiss yen telling me it's holding. Okay, because this could go down from here. So it's basically a guess right now. So I'm going to wait and hold off. I was kind of hoping. That's why I started this recording right now. I was hoping I'd get a close on this, but it didn't happen. So anyway, not trading right now. If I were to take a trade up, see how the pound's coming down in here. And again, we're trading on announcement. This is at the beginning of a move here. See, there is a future breakout if it's going to break out. Beginning of a move here when it comes down to here. Okay, and this is at the beginning of a move down in here. Doesn't mean it's going to come all the way down there, guys. There's really no wick there. So it could take off from here. But if we're going up, this is your entry. But again, I wouldn't take it until I get some blue candles here because it's not a real safe trade. And again, it didn't confirm here. So we could still be going down. And I know that's talking out of both sides of my mouth, but I'm just letting you know what I see. So anyway, I'll start the recording again when I see something I really like. sitting there talking and I'm not on recording here. Anyway, you had to wait for the pound to pull back into here before you take this trade in the guppy. See how the guppy, you never take a trade in the middle of a move. Or let's say when this closed, I said, okay, everything's confirming down. Nothing's saying it wants to go up right now, but you don't take the trade down here. You wait for it to pull back into the move here before you take the trade, okay? So hold on one sec here, guys, because I have to manage my trade here. Or get ready. I'm hoping this breaks, guys. It has to break here. I'm hoping this gets down to here, but we'll see where it goes, guys. It has to break. It's a risky trade, guys, because you're trading right into, see the euro here? You're trading right into a target, so it's definitely a riskier trade. There's nothing saying that it wants to go up yet. So that's why I'm getting ready to manage my trade here, because I don't want to get too greedy on this trade. I only got a few pips up so far, so it's really risky staying in here. I'm hoping it gets up, like on the Swissy, I'm hoping it gets up to, at least here, and the euro comes down to here, or breaks this right here. It would be very, very nice. So we'll see. I've got a few pips. I got a few pips going up, and now I'm trading it down, but not sure how far this thing's going to go, guys. It's very, very tough staying in this trade. It's really, really tough. Kind of a tough morning so far. So anyway, we'll see where this goes. Okay, guys. I don't feel real comfortable about staying in this trade, okay? So just to let you know, I am waiting actually for an up trade to happen, because obviously the trend is up, and so I'm waiting for it to tell me it wants to go up. Now, nothing's happened where it's telling me it wants to go up yet. It's just all those candles that closed, they couldn't close down below their targets, which is, this is a breakout here on the guppy. This is a breakout here. Now, it hasn't told me it wants to go up yet, okay? It's been going down, obviously, but nothing's told me it wants to go up yet. So I'm not saying get into an up move here. I'm waiting for it to confirm, but I am waiting for an up move. So we'll see what happens here, guys. That's why, on these entries, you have to be careful about staying in trades that don't look all that great when they come down to their targets. If you want to take the chance of staying in it, then more power to you. But the market's not really giving us that much, and I'm sure it has a little bit to do with the election. So I'm not saying take an up trade here at all. This thing could still break, but like I said, I don't like the way things have closed. But nothing's telling me up yet. Okay, nothing's confirmed to say up. Just saying, be very careful if you did take this down trade. Okay, getting ready to close here. We'll see if we can get an entry. We are at the top of some of these targets, but I had a feeling we were going up. That's why you have to take profit out at targets. Obviously, the move is up today. You can see how the move is up. So you wait for it to come down. Took a trade down, but you had to get out of it when it comes down to its target, which there is its target. You have to take profit out. You can't assume that it's going to break. It's a lot more comfortable staying in trades going in the trend if it's going to break. But we'll see if we can get an up trade here. I don't know if this is going to come back or not, guys. It's kind of we're at the very, very top of some of these targets. It's better to enter down in here. Well, that was kind of a weird little jump. But I don't know if this is going to give us that entry or not. It might take off from here, guys. It's your choice whether you want to get in here or not, but keep in mind, it has to break its top here, okay? So it has to break. See how the Swissy pulled back a little bit. It doesn't always come back to there, guys, so you just have to be careful. It's your choice whether you want to get in here, but the key to this is everything's lining up finally, so that's the key to this trade. But anyway, we'll see if this thing takes off and breaks its top, guys. It's been kind of a crappy morning, knowing which way it's going to go. So again, a little riskier getting in here, but I do believe it's going to break and things are definitely lining up. So it's up to you whether you want to get in here or not. Again, it hasn't been a great morning. if these things continue to go up, you can see how the lower charts are coming down. Once they hit their targets, then these things will blast through the top, hopefully. So we'll see if this euro blasts through. You should be up a pip now if you got into it. And we'll see if it breaks, guys. Or even, depending on where you got in. Okay guys, it's always nicer when trades take off, but as you can see it came up and hit its target, and I'm not sure if it's going to break through. The only thing I like about this trade is that they're all lined up. But you can see everything's been in a channel all day. Look at the pound. I mean, the bottom charts broke out, but they didn't break out with the top. So I'm not sure if this thing's going to go anywhere or not. I don't know. We need this obviously the pound to break out of this channel. And we'll see if this thing breaks. But I don't like to trade when I'm hitting targets, bouncing up against targets. Do I feel it's going to go up? I do. I kind of felt that when this came down and closed earlier. I was waiting for an up trade after I told you about the down trade here. I was waiting for an up trade. Okay, whether this is it or I don't know. All I know is we need this to break for this to be a good trade. And so we'll see if it does. But things have already hit their targets. So after things hit their targets, I don't know which way it's going. It's just a guess. And, you know, it's risky trading to trade in conditions like this. So we'll see if it breaks. Guys, I just looked at the clock. I have a conference call to get on, so hopefully this will break, obviously on the upside, and I'll write on my blog today whether it was a good trade or not. So anyway, have a great day, guys.